check and delete the spam comment in our YouTube channel using Android mobile phone. First, we go to Chrome. Then we search in the search box www.youtube.com. Then at the right side, we click the three dots there and go to desktop site. Here at the right side, we can see our YouTube channel. So we just click, go to the Creator Studio, and go to Community, and then go to Likely Spam. As you can see, I have 15 spam message here. We can check or we can delete as long as the message is okay or the comment is okay. So we can delete it or we can check it. It depends upon you. But for me, as long as I see that that it's not correct and it's not good, the comment, I can delete it. So let's try and delete it. This one will delete. It removed already. Another one, remove. This one, you can delete this. This one. This one. Because if we cannot delete this, YouTube can see all this one. So we delete it. Supposed to be we can comment as what the video content, what is about the video content, because it's not about the video content, it's really spam, and we need to watch first before we comment. So I delete the 15 spam message. Delete it. And that's it. I delete all the spam message. Now, as you can see, there was no spam message. So, hope this video will help you a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.